Ooh.
Oh, okay, put it back together.
Can you put it back together?
Sure.
I'll cook two.
I like that. Can you tell us what you're making?
I'm making a stair bake.
Oh, what?
I'm making a stair bake.
Stair bake? What are you going to do with it?
I need to give it to Mama.
What's Mama going to do with it?
She's probably to her party. Her party is just right now. I'm going to be in her party too.
My party's going to start in March?
Mm-hmm.
That's right. Very good.
I'm going to be your birthday too.
Okay.
This will be your birthday that we're doing.
Thanks, Ollie. You can definitely come to my birthday party.
Can you use that piece or not?
No.
What do you got all over your legs, kiddo?
They're dots.
They're bruises and bug bites.
Where are the bug bites from?
They were